When you have a cough, try drinking monk fruit tea. Take one monk fruit, break it open, and cut it into 5 or 6 pieces. Take one piece, put it in a cup, and pour hot water over it. Drink 2 to 3 cups a day. Then combine it with my exercise method. There are 2 simple moves. The first is to press the acupoint zhongfu, which is directly below your collarbone, then rub it with your fingers. Rub it in small circles about 36 times, then switch sides. After that, move to the second point. This point is right at the base of your throat, between your collarbones. Again, rub it in circles about 36 times. Do this twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. After 3 to 5 days, you should feel your cough noticeably improve.